Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NHPI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But want to get things updated here as quite a bit of more price movement today. First, I'm going to do a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, it still pertains. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update that doesn't even made, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So in the event there is any sort of stabilization and then bounce tomorrow or even early next week, 0079, 0078, right around that area is going to be that initial hurdle that the price is going to need to not only fight back above, but stay up above. But as it stands right now, that's going to be the only level of resistance I talk about it. Because right now, at least in my opinion, top priority is not really breaking levels of resistance. It's all about trying to stabilize and find some sort of footing, because later on in the day, well, not even necessarily later on in the day, but essentially the late morning, remainder of the day, the price was doing a good job of finding footing. The price was going sideways, and then I don't know if bad news or something came out during the final 30 minutes, but all that stabilization all of a sudden kind of fell apart as the final 30 minutes, you can see down there, the volume kicked back in, and then the big volume bar showed up, which brought the price down to 0063-ish area of support. Now I get it, the price is still technically below that area of support, but the concept to remember in regards to supports and resistances is they're not exact specific levels. There is a range element associated with it. So I would definitely consider the price still within the range of 0062. So that is why I'm still going to consider that a level of support and keep it green. Now, in the event that level does not hold, I do want to get one more level of support mapped out. And I realize the chart is getting harder to see here, but that just kind of shows how it's been a while since the price has been down this low. But in the event, like I said, 0063-ish does not hold. Next key level of support going to be down right around 0055, 0054, that general area of the chart. So, the bears took another bite out of this one today. We'll see if the bulls can step back up tomorrow and try to stabilize things out or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.